If you use Evernote and want a clean way to separate sections in your notes, adding a divider is one of the simplest tricks you can learn. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a divider in Evernote step by step so you can make your notes easier to read, better organized, and much more professional looking. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote and open the note that you want to edit. This can be an existing note with a lot of text or a brand new note that you're building from scratch. Once your note is open, take a look at the section where you want the divider to appear. A divider works best when you want to visually break up one idea from another, like separating a checklist from notes or dividing a heading from a body of text. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the divider to go. This is important because Evernote will insert the divider wherever your cursor is active. So if you want it between two paragraphs, click on the blank line between them. If you want it under a heading, click right below that heading before you continue. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of Evernote and click Insert. This menu contains different elements you can add to your note, and one of those options is Divider. Once you open the Insert menu, select Divider from the list. The moment you click it, Evernote will place a horizontal line into your note at the cursor location. You'll now see the divider appear as a clean line across the page. That line acts as a visual separator, making the note much easier to scan and understand. If you're organizing meeting notes, project plans, study notes, or content ideas, this small formatting choice can make a huge difference. If you prefer a faster method, Evernote also has an alternative shortcut you can use. Place your cursor on a new line where you want the divider to appear, then type 3 hyphens, like this, 3 dashes in a row. After that, press Enter. Evernote will automatically convert that into a divider for you. This is a great shortcut if you want to format notes quickly without opening the menu every time. If the divider doesn't appear right away, make sure you type the hyphens on a fresh line and not in the middle of a sentence. It should be on its own line for Evernote to recognize the shortcut properly. Once it converts, you can continue typing below the divider and keep building out your note. A divider is especially useful when you want your notes to feel more structured. For example, you can separate action items from reference material, divide a summary from details, or break a long note into cleaner sections. That makes it easier for you to review later and easier for anyone else who reads it. So to recap, the manual method is to open your note, place your cursor, click Insert, and choose Divider. The shortcut method is to type 3 hyphens on a new line and press Enter. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever one feels faster for your workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Evernote tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.